Hi and welcome to the Wealth Yogi channel. In this video, I want to reveal what Y4M, Yoga for Manifestation, is all about and how it is actually different from any other yoga out there and why it might be exactly the practice that you always wished for. My name is Svenja, by the way, and Yoga for Manifestation has not just allowed me to completely transform and tone my body, but also it transformed my whole life. Because Yoga for Manifestation really is not like any other yoga out there. Y4M, the yoga that we teach here as part of Wealth Yogi, is an approach to yoga using ancient teachings that has evolved from the great Himalayas to pass on the full power of yoga, the knowledge on the full power of yoga, how it can be used to access one's higher potential. And that has been largely lost throughout times, and you won't actually find in any other yoga approach. I mean, there's so many different yogas today, even fear yoga, even goat yoga apparently. Like, meh. I don't really know about that one. But to give you an actual example, what I'm talking about is that, you know, when our grandmaster, he asks people to do warrior pose, warrior 2, let's say. So they would go into their warrior pose, you know, all proud on their beautiful pose. And then you would see grandmaster like, that's not a warrior. Like, have you ever seen a warrior in a fight like this? Like, seriously? Warrior pose is about strength, is about presenting your strengths, your willingness to the universe, that you are ready, that you are willing to equip yourself, to build your vessel, to be able to receive more powerful energies from the universe. So warrior pose, traditionally, how it is originally taught by the yogis, the siddhas of the Himalayan mountains, is actually holding fists, showing your strengths, having a strong gaze. And that's just obviously a small example, but yoga is so much more than is currently known out there. So it's so important that you make sure, whether that is with us or anybody else, make sure that you learn and practice yoga in a lineage where this knowledge has been passed on. Because let's talk quickly about chakra system as well. You know, a lot of the people, they always talk about opening the chakras, aligning the chakra system with yoga practice. But the problem is that you would only find people talk about 7 major chakras in our body, from root to crown, right? But actually we have a lot of so-called minor chakras in our body, in our system as well, that we need to actually work on those to be able to open up our major chakras, to remove these blockages that also block our manifestations to come our way. And that's the main difference we talk about here when we talk about yoga for manifestation. It's that one word, manifestation. And now maybe you are already a little bit or quite familiar with law of attraction and you've done some manifestation practices before, whether that was to, maybe you tried to manifest your ex back, it could be, or maybe you just want to attract a little bit more money, or you're practicing because you want to attract more freedom, to whether it is to travel or to spend more time with your family or anything like that. Or maybe you are more new to manifestation and law of attraction. In either way, yoga for manifestation, with yoga for manifestation, you have a real physical tool to not just speed up your manifestations, but to actually manifest from total alignment. And alignment is everything, but we need to know. If we don't know about these minor chakras and these things, we won't be able to use the full power of yoga. Because yoga for manifestation actually forces neurological change in your system. It actually rewires your brain, allowing you to remove all those layers of conditioning that are blocking your manifestation to come your way, to the point where eventually your body, your mind, and your soul truly connects. And that is when you become blissful, and where you can manifest miracles. So whether you are looking to gain some strength or some flexibility maybe, or to build muscles, improve your balance, or get any other of the health benefits of yoga, then definitely you will achieve your goal by doing this practice. However, if you also wanting to connect a little bit more to your spiritual side, if you want to activate your healing blueprint, but also increase, free up your energy flow, your chi flow, if you want to strengthen your connection, if you want to tap into those powerful energies, opening up third eye meditation for most powerful manifestation practices. And maybe that all of that may sound a little bit woo-woo to you. In that case, I just want to say, keep your mind open. Our master always says, you only know so much, and you only know so much that you don't know. But there's that much more that you don't even know you don't know. So make sure to keep your mind open. And if any of the things I've just mentioned is a result, is something that you would like to have in your life, then definitely give it a shot. Because yoga for manifestation has the power to transform your life. It is actually a lifestyle. It's a way of life. So I'm looking forward to see you on the mat. Namaste.